Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. First things first, if you guys hear scratching in the background, it's my little snake. She's like rubbing against her foam background, and I can't really get her to stop. So yeah, if you guys hear little scratching sounds, it's her. But I don't think the mic will pick them up because I'm actually pretty close, and it doesn't seem to. Well, no, it does. It picks up my computer fan. But anyway, this week we're doing something a bit different. I hope you guys don't mind, but I just recalled when I was a kid and I used to have all this clay. My parents would buy me these packs of I started off with a pack and then I would just buy refills as I used it up, and I would mass produce Pokemon figurines with this clay that my parents got me. And yeah, I just was having an itch, so I went and I bought the same. I don't know if it's the same pack because I'm pretty sure I was using Sculpey, but the Sculpey starter packs are full of shimmery colors, and I don't really want a set of shimmery colors. So yeah, I went and I got the Fimo ones instead, and they work the same. Although I remember when I was younger, it was much stinkier when you baked it. But this stuff didn't really smell, or maybe I was over baking it when I was young. It wasn't me that was deciding. It was maybe my parents were over baking it. I don't know. But yeah, I just picked up the same stuff pretty much and started playing with it, and I wanted to do something simple for my first one, because I still wanted it to turn out nice. So yeah, I just did a Latias because I knew my husband wouldn't mind having a Latias around. So yeah, I made that, and I think it turned out pretty well. I did because when I was younger, I guess this is going to be a lot of me talking about how when I was younger, but when I was in college, I took an anatomy class and we sculpted a lot in that class. So I learned lots of things that I didn't know when I was a kid, and I was blowing my own mind while I was making this Latias. But yeah, I guess that it is what it is. I did a tin foil base for her because I don't really have armature wire, and I didn't really want to buy that, so I just used toothpicks and tinfoil, and it turned out well. It baked properly, and it's very sturdy and not that heavy, and I think it saved me a lot of clay because when I've made more. I've made 3 so far, but the tinfoil balls, they really help if you are looking to start sculpting. Don't buy so much clay that you would want to make your whole thing out of clay. You can cheat and use tin foil to make a base so that you're not using a crap ton of your clay. And also it's good to support the shape, because I made this Gudra. I didn't film it. Maybe you guys can probably find it on Twitter. I'll probably post him on Twitter. I'm not super happy with how this guy turned out because I don't know what part of the video is playing right now. But I actually, after I finished sculpting everything in the right colors, I just kind of painted over them. But the only paint I have is water-based stuff, and I figured the gouache would be okay. But I wanted to seal that in because it feels sandy, and it'll rub off. So I bought this stuff that is a glossy coat that will go on top and protect everything. But the thing is, that's water-based too, so it's messing up the paint. So there's light purple mixed in with the brown, and there's brown on the light purple and stuff like that. It's not the end of the world if you just go over it once, but I wanted to make sure I got the gloss on everything because it does look better when it's glossy. So yeah, I probably won't post him on DeviantArt, but I don't know, I think it turned out cute. But yeah, I just pretty much sculpted all the shapes in the right colors. And then I painted some highlights on and the eye shines and all that. And yeah, I'm really enjoying myself. Someone asked me already, because I haven't actually posted any of these online, but I've been showing my friends as I work on them, because this is just so fun and different, I guess. And I've already been asked a couple times if I will take commissions for these, and I will. I would do it right now. I just don't really know how to price what's going on, because the clay is more expensive. You use more of it than you do paint, right? So it's kind of, I don't know, I have to go see how other people are pricing it. And also my things are like kind of lumpy and unrefined, so I feel like I need some more practice so that I can at least get all my techniques down, because I haven't done this in a long time. But I did have a complete blast. Like, I had so much fun with this. I have another one filmed of this little OC. I actually drew him recently for a Sketchbook Sunday video, the little green bird dude with the red face. I sculpted him and he turned out really well, actually. I really like how he turned out, and I have him recorded. So that'll probably be next week's video. So I'm sorry if you guys don't really dig the clay stuff. I mean, I'll pay attention for sure. Like, if you guys hate the clay stuff, I won't post them as like Wednesday videos, but they will probably pop up as Sunday videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is like, in like the pack of clay, if you guys are wondering, it's just Fimo soft clay, and I got the like 24 pack, or was it like 16? I don't know. It's got like actually a really good set of like just all the colors you would need, and like any color you don't have, you definitely have the colors to mix it. And they sell like refills, I guess. Well, I mean, of course they sell each color separately, so if you run out of one, just go buy another. And it's like, I mean, where I got it, I think it was like 50 Canadian dollars, including tax and all that, to get this like beginner set. And I also got the little green sculpting tools. Oh, they're not in this video actually, so I can't. I ended up buying sculpting tools because I was using toothpicks. Actually, are they in this video? I'm not sure. Yeah, this was a Sunday adventure for me. I just randomly decided, like, let's go to the store and get clay. And then I thought I could make do with no tools, but it was like really inconvenient. So I went to Walmart to get some tools. I didn't want to go all the way back to the art store, and yeah. I don't know. I think I'll stick to making these though, because these are fun. I don't know why I ever stopped. I think it was because I didn't really have anywhere to put them, and yeah, when I was a kid I used to mass produce these, like make so many. I swear to God, I must have made like almost every single Pokemon. And it kept me busy, man. It kept me busy, and it was just really fun to go back to that and yeah, play around. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Sunday.